Hi there, I'm Grateful Ted. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate it. Longtime viewers may remember that we come here all the time. This is Portland's annual Winter Light Festival. You may remember that I'm trying to record some stuff to keep Portland weird, and there's nothing more weird than having a winter light festival in a city where it rains all the time, so people have to come out and get in the rain. But we're going to have a good time tonight. We're going to go to several places. Come on, let's go. So that was the Pioneer Courthouse Square portion of Winter Lights. It's all over the city. This is downtown Portland. It happens every February. And we're going to head over to the World Trade Center now. There's some more stuff going on over there. There's stuff that happens 10 miles away from here. Like I said, it happens all over the city. So come on, let's go see what the World Trade Center stuff looks like. Okay, now we're at Portland's World Trade Center, and this is another place in town where they've got the Winter Light Festival. Come on, let's go see what it looks like.
studio. We are with you for years.
We were supposed to be like all out everywhere, but because of the rain that was expected, we decided to pull everyone underneath here. I like it better. It's not just spread out. It's like, and also I'm here. Last year, like me and like two other people sat down. This is
that's the Portland Winter Lights Festival. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen. It happens every February, and this is the first weekend in February here in Portland, and it'll happen again next weekend, and then it's all over. So if you did like it, if you've been here before, write down in the comments, okay? And if you liked what you saw, write down in the comments, give it a thumbs up, and maybe even subscribe. Until then, we'll see you next week.